In this video, I'll show you how to download your Facebook data so you can keep a copy of your photos, videos, posts, and other account information. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, and after that tap Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look for the Account Center section at the top and tap on it. Inside this section, tap Your Information and Permissions. Now tap Download Your Information to start the process. Facebook will show you a list of different types of data connected to your account. Tap Select Types of Information, then choose the data you want to download, such as posts, photos, videos, messages, or comments. After selecting the information, tap Next. You will then be able to choose the file format, date range, and media quality for the download. Once everything is set, tap Create File to send the request. Facebook will begin preparing your data, which may take some time depending on how much information is in your account. When the file is ready, you will receive a notification and can download it to your device. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.